regarding psychic waves, psychic says that there are two things: what? Auto-suggestion and auto-suggestion is done through what? Through own incantation. Incantation, what it is? It is an internal or external acoustic expression. When you say something, you are saying Rama. It is vocal expression external, and in your mind when you say Rama, it is also vocal expression internal. So while using your incantation, what you do? That's the internal vocal expression. When you think, what you do? You say something internally. What is thinking? To say something internally. To think means to speak within. Just try to think something. But you are speaking within your mind. Yes, in that case, nobody else will hear. And when you speak externally, that is, use the vocal cord externally, then others may hear. There is also a third style of expression. There is external expression, but only you can hear. It is called, what is its name in Sanskrit? Upangshu. Rama, Rama, Rama. External vocal expression. Internal. You can hear, others cannot. Now, for mental development, for psychic progress, actually I told you there, where? I think it was Tainan, I said?
Yes,
that actual progress is in spiritual level and not in physical or psychical. What I said? Tainan.
Yes.
Now, your progress is auto-suggestion or outer-suggestion. Sudarshana is giving suggestion to Sudarshana. The conscience goes Sudarshana's mind towards what? The idealistic stance of Sudarshana. Be an ideal man, a mental fiction in the mind of Sudarshana. And one science of Sudarshana says, Sudarshana, be an ideal man. That is, that conscience of Sudarshana goes Sudarshana towards that ideal figure. What it is, do you follow it? The psychology? It is the auto-suggestion. I must be a good man. I must be a good boy. I must do something concrete for this world. I won't be afraid of any power in this world. I must be a good man. I must be a good boy. I'll do something concrete for this world. No power in heaven and earth can check me. What are these things? Auto-suggestions. I think now the term auto-suggestion is clear. I use the word perhaps in DMC. Auto-suggestion and all.
In DMC.
When somebody else is saying, Sudarshana, be a good boy. Sudarshana, be an ideal man. Sudarshana, start your light up face, forgetting all your past mistakes and misdeeds. What are these things? Outer suggestion. Suggestion coming from outside. what is the best outer suggestion or best auto suggestion? What you have to do? You have to use your incantation, always use your Ishta mantra, and that is the best auto suggestion. Auto means what? Auto means self. Autonomy means self-government. Automatic, done by self. Then, what is the best outer solution? When you are in a good company, from the source of that good company, from that good company, there comes what? Outer suggestion. Here you are getting what? Outer suggestion. This outer suggestion strengthens the vitality of auto suggestion. So outer suggestion is a necessity, is indispensable for a man's spiritual progress. This outer suggestion is called Satsanga in Sanskrit. Satsanga. Satsangena bhaven muktira satsangeshu bandhanam asatsanga mudranam jat samudra parikita. What is now? We have understood what is outer suggestion. So many good discussions are there. Those discussions will have effect on your mind, effect of what? Outer suggestion. Sudarshana, you follow? Now, all the companies or all the associations cannot give you outer suggestion. If you are in a company of thieves, they will say, still, go on still. It is also a sort of auto-suggestion. Outer suggestion, not auto-suggestion. In case of auto-suggestion, you are sure that there will be 100% success. Because that mantra, that incantation is there. But in case of outer suggestion, there may be good company, there may be bad company, and the outer suggestion coming from bad company may be detrimental to your progress, not only to your progress, but to the progress of entire humanity. If you become a child, then so many people will be destroyed by it. So there must be careful selection of company. That's why in Sanskrit it is called Satsanga. Sat means good and Sangha means association. Satsanga. Sad Vipra. What meaning is? Good intellectual. Sad means good. What is good and what is bad? We should know. A constant fight is going on between goods and bads. In your mind, in your family, in your society, in the country, in the entire universe. Never-ending fight between good and bad. And when good is established over bad, then that resultant of fight between good and bad fighting, when the resultant goes in favor of good, that resultant is known as conscience, that is the established and authentic power of discrimination. It is called conscience in Latin. The result of fight between good and bad, when the resultant goes in favor of good, that resultant is called power of discrimination or conscience. The English meaning of conscience is power of what?
Discrimination.
Clear? For conscience, the Sanskrit term is viveka. Viveka, V-I-V-E-K-A, viveka. Now, what is good and what is sat and what is asat? The physical or mental or spiritual action that helps you or your associates in developing your spiritual life, that is, that lessens the distance between you and your Lord, is good. And your physical or psychic or spiritual actions that increases the distance between you and or your associates and the Lord. That encourages the proximity between you and your Lord, your goal, your idealistic goal. The distance is decreased, diminished, lessened. And when it is increased, it is bad. So, while selecting a company, you should be very careful whether its discourses, its actions, its activities or plans and programs are to decrease the distance between you and your Lord. Is a satsanga good company, otherwise asatsanga? Even intellectual discussions of high order may not be a satsanga. If it has got nothing to do in lessening your distance between you and your Lord, you and your goal, that type of intellectual discourses, in my language, are what? Intellectual extravaganza. What it is?
Intellectual extravaganza.
Bauddhic. What will be in Sanskrit? Bauddhic amita vyayita. Hard Sanskrit. You know, I'm very weak in Sanskrit. Sat and satsanga and asatsanga. And when it is a satsanga, that is when it goes you onto the path of the Lord, it is satsanga. And from satsanga you should always try to have satsanga. And that satsanga will give you outer. Those who are engaged in satsanga and lessening the distance between Lord and the aspirant, their action is called punya. And those who try to increase the gap, their action is known as pataka. Punya and pataka, virtue and vice. In the scriptures it is said that Puru Punya Maharashtra, you should always be engaged in doing punya. Avaratra, day and night. Aha means in Sanskrit, aha means sunrise to sunset. not 0 hours in the night, sunrise to sunset. And Ratri means sunset to sunrise. And Aharatra means 24 hours. Guru Punya Maharatra, you should be engaged in virtuous work, in Punya for all the 24 hours. Now you may ask, how can I do Punya while sleeping? In the wakeful stage I may do Punya. But while sleeping, then how can you do Punya? Can you? Yes, you can. Suppose in wakeful stage you can have what? Outer suggestion as well as inner suggestion, that is auto suggestion. And when it will become your nature, when auto suggestion will become your nature, not a habit but nature. What's the difference between habit and nature? When habit becomes one with your existence, it is called nature. Suppose you are a teetotaler. Then and you start. What's the meaning of teetotaler?
One who doesn't take alcoholic drinks.
One who doesn't take alcohol. Now, a friend offered you some alcohol. Then after 3 days, a friend offered you another glass of alcohol. You accepted it. After that, it will be your habit that you won't be able to remain without alcohol. Then it is habit. And finally, when alcohol will be drinking you, you won't be drinking, it will be drinking you. That is when doctor, physicians will say stop it, everybody will say stop it, but you become helpless. It has become your nature. So, by constant practice, by under pressure of circumstances, one becomes habituated, and by encouraging this habituation, it becomes finally the nature. So, when this auto suggestion, now it is time for my puja. It is what? You are trying to habituate yourself. But when you cannot live without puja, then it has become your nature. Try to make it a what? Habit or nature? Nature. I never take a drop of water without doing puja. I mean Anandamurti. Why? It has become my nature. And I want that all of you should make it a what? Nature. Habit or nature?
Nature.
Nature, yes. And then when auto-suggestion will become your nature, what will happen? While sleeping, you will be doing that, repeating that japa in your unconscious mind. You are sleeping, that's why conscious mind is not active. You are not seeing any dream, that's why subconscious mind is not active, but unconscious mind is there. So automatically there will be japa. You are doing punya, 24 hours you are doing punya. While you are sleeping, you will be engaged in doing your japa kriya using your incantation. Guru Punya Maharatram. So be engaged in punya for all the 24 hours. And you should always encourage the company of what? Satsanga. That is, those who are engaged in punya. And always avoid the sangha of patakis. That is, those who are engaged in patak, whose company will degenerate the people, will deprave the people. And in Pataka there are two classes, two branches of Pataka means virtue and vice. One is Papa and another is Pratyavaya. Papa means to do the don'ts of life. To do the don'ts of life. Don't steal. And if you steal, it will be Papa. Because you are doing the what? You are doing the don'ts of life. And Pratyavaya means not to do the do's of life. You should help a man in distress. You should help the suffering humanity. These are the do's of life. But if you do not do it, then you are doing Pratyavaya. Papa plus Pratyavaya is Pataka. There are two kinds of Pataka. So always be engaged in Punya and always avoid Pataka and always try to be in the what company of those who are doing what? Punya, and never be with those persons who are engaged in Pataka, because those Punyavan people who are engaged in Punya will give you outer suggestion, good outer suggestion, positive outer suggestion, and those Patakis, they will give you negative outer suggestion. And their suggestions is detrimental to the progress